So, y'all don't know why I used to always do this. I had to like be able to see myself in the mirror so that way it'd be focused, right? So now I got a new camera. Yeah. And this motherfucker got the little flip screen on that joint. So now I got the flip screen on that bit. Got some goodies. Now I got the flip screen on there. I could vlog. What's this? Oh, a little handheld tripod. Oh shit. A little digital flash. Okay. This how we rocking though, man. Got that motherfucking 7D. Right now I'm shooting on the old ass T2i. I bought this shit like in 2011. No, 2011. Goddamn. In this bitch. You know what I'm saying? They got all this extra shit up in here, man. Where the goddamn camera? What if I got in here, it was just like empty? That should be funny. Alright. This is my second camera in history. Besides the one in my hand. Woo! There we go. Nah, it's not like a Mark D5 III or anything. Like I said, there we go. So now I can vlog and shit. Hey, in that thing. Yeah. Alright then. Next time you see me, it's gonna be on that camera. Yeah. Yo, this shit tight. Oh, that bitch got autofocus. Oh snap. This shit got autofocus. Yo, that changes my life, bro. Word. I wanted this camera for so long. We finna get this shit jumping now. Oh shit. You wanna see it? This one autofocus.
Oh, that's the new camera?
Yeah. That's why I wanted it so I could vlog. Yeah, autofocus. The other one don't autofocus.
So I can do all that and then focus.
It's tight. What you need? What's not cheap? She's making me buy her a Christmas gift in March. It's March.
That should say something about you. You should have had my gift by now.
Nah, you're supposed to tell me what it was.
I did tell you what it was. I recorded and everything.
I think I want this 10-quart one. I don't know, the 8-quart comes in cute colors.
See, the only thing... My bad, I'm still focused on this camera. But yeah, you can get whichever one you want. I don't even care. We finna be rich real soon. Yo, this is tight. But the whole thing is, now that I got the autofocus, I don't need the screen. I needed the screen because I couldn't focus. True. Half full. That's how I gotta look at it. I gotta look at it half full. Oh shit. Yeah. Nigga, what? Nigga, what? Nigga, what? Nigga, yeah. Autofocus, nigga. I still gotta put all this shit on there. Wait, that's the old one. Where that shit go? Oh, this shit. They gave me a lens. It's probably just a stock lens though. I already put my 24 on here. Yeah, that's just a stock lens. I already got one of those. I'm finna sell that bitch. A little stock lens. Finna put this bitch on there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, feel me? Ooh. USB cord. What I used to use that for? I think I used to connect. Nah, that ain't how I connected my TV. They got one of them shits to connect it to my TV. They got me a macro lens. I'm finna be shooting bugs and shit. Little tripod. But this small ass tripod can't hold this heavy ass camera. Wide angle. Little wide angle lens. She also got me some shoes yesterday. My girlfriend bought me this camera, by the way. Life has been pretty good lately. Can't lie to you. I got a PS4 last week. I got my t-shirt machine. Oh yeah, I got. Wait, I ain't gonna tell you about that. I got my t-shirt machine in the garage. I got this new camera. Y'all been supporting the fuck out your boy. I got new plays. I've been getting like 1,000 plays a day for the past 3 weeks or so. This shit crazy. Anyway, we got this bitch.